Ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly accumulate wealth, while others struggle to make ends meet? It's a question that has puzzled many for ages. You see, most of us are taught to work hard, save pennies, and maybe someday we will be wealthy. But the sad truth is, this approach often leads to a lifetime of financial struggle. The missing link here is a lack of financial education, and a misconception that wealth is a result of hard labor. Well, in this video, I am going to reveal the 6 rules of money from the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad that shatter these misconceptions. These principles, overlooked by many, are the foundation of financial success and freedom. But what if I tell you, the secret to wealth lies not in working harder, but in understanding and leveraging the rules of money? Suppose you're working hard, paycheck to paycheck, but your wealth isn't growing. Sounds familiar? Well, you're not alone. Many of us are taught to work for money, but the rich, they have a different approach. They make money work for them. A common misconception is that wealth is equivalent to a high income. But let's think about it. If you're earning a lot, but also spending a lot, are you really getting richer? Not quite, right? Wealth isn't just about earning, it's about keeping and growing what you earn. So, how do you make money work for you? The answer lies in investments and income-generating assets. These could be stocks, bonds, real estate, or even your own business. Instead of working for money, you're putting your money to work, earning you more money even while you sleep. But here's the catch. Making money work for you is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, research, and often taking calculated risks. You need to understand what you're investing in and be comfortable with the level of risk involved. Now, imagine a future where your income isn't tied to the hours you work. You're earning money around the clock, not just from 9 to 5. The benefits are clear: more financial freedom, more time for yourself, and a growing wealth that can provide for you and your loved ones. Remember, wealth is not about how much you earn, but how much you keep and grow. Imagine you're in a boat, sailing on the sea of financial markets. Will you adapt to the changing winds, or will you resist and risk capsizing? In the world of finance, things are always shifting. Markets rise and fall, technology evolves, societal trends change. It's like the constantly changing currents and winds on the ocean. There's a common misconception that once you've set a course, you should stick to it, come what may. But this isn't a game of blind persistence, it's a game of adaptability. So, how do you become more adaptable? It starts with keen observation and anticipation. Keep a close eye on what's happening around you. Are there new technologies that could disrupt your industry? Are there shifting societal trends that could open up new markets? Once you've identified these changes, be ready to adjust your strategies. This could mean investing in new areas, diversifying your portfolio, or even changing your business model. But why is this adaptability so important? Because it allows you to capitalize on emerging opportunities. It's like being the first sailor to catch the new wind and ride it to victory. It means you're not just surviving in the sea of financial markets, but actually thriving. Remember, in the game of money, it's not always about who has the biggest boat or the most resources. It's about who can best adapt to change. In the game of money, the most adaptable players win. Ever thought of yourself as the most valuable investment you could make? It's an idea that's often overlooked. Many of us are quick to invest in stocks, properties, and businesses, but we forget the importance of investing in ourselves. The misconception here is that formal education is the end of our learning journey. It's not. Continuous learning and self-improvement are essential for personal and financial growth. In reality, the learning never stops. To overcome this, dedicate time and resources to acquire new skills, knowledge, and experiences. Attend workshops, read books, take online courses. Don't shy away from opportunities to learn. And here's why this strategy is beneficial. As you enhance your skills and knowledge, you increase your value. You become a more competent individual, a more resourceful entrepreneur, a more informed investor. Your potential to create wealth expands. Your mind is your greatest asset. Invest in it. Ever been puzzled by financial jargon and wished you understood it better? Many people have this misconception that financial literacy is a complex world that only accountants and financial advisors can navigate. But let's debunk that myth right now. Financial literacy is simply understanding the principles of finance, including budgeting, investing, saving, and managing debt. It's about making your money work for you. You don't need to have a degree in finance to master these principles. There are countless resources available, from books to online courses, that can help you learn the ropes. Once you learn to manage your money effectively, you'll be able to make informed decisions that help you build wealth. The benefits of financial literacy are enormous. It empowers you to take control of your financial future, avoid debt, and grow your wealth. It's like having a roadmap to financial success. So start your financial education today. Remember, financial literacy isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Ever put all your eggs in one basket and then regretted it? That's the financial equivalent of relying on a single income stream. It's risky. It's like walking a tightrope without a safety net. You're one misstep away from a financial freefall. Many believe that a stable job is all they need, but what if that job disappears? The pandemic has shown us that job security is a myth. So, how do you create that much-needed safety net? Diversify your income. Don't just rely on your paycheck. Explore investments, start a side hustle, consider rental properties, or delve into passive income opportunities. There's a world of options out there waiting to be tapped. But here's the catch. Diversifying your income isn't just about making more money, it's about resilience. It's about having multiple safety nets, so if one fails, you don't crash land. It's about having the confidence of knowing that you're financially secure no matter what. Creating multiple income streams might seem like a daunting task, but it's not. Start small, invest in something you're passionate about. Use your skills to start a side hustle. Rent out that spare room on Airbnb. Every little bit adds up. So let's debunk the myth of single income security. Embrace the power of income diversification, because when it comes to financial security, it's always better to have more than one iron in the fire. Don't rely on a single source of income. Make your money work for you in multiple ways. Ever been tempted by immediate gratification at the expense of your long-term goals? It's a common trap. Many of us are wired to seek instant rewards, often overlooking the bigger picture. But here's the truth. Sustainable wealth and success aren't achieved overnight. They require a long-term perspective and disciplined execution of your financial plans. What's the strategy then? Start by setting clear, realistic financial goals. Create a solid plan and stick to it. This might mean sacrificing some immediate pleasures for future gains. But remember, patience and persistence are key to long-term prosperity. The benefits are numerous. Planning for the long term provides financial stability, helps you navigate unexpected challenges, and paves the way for a comfortable retirement. It's not just about accumulating wealth, but about securing a future where you're not constantly worried about money. Wealth isn't built in a day, it's a long-term game. Remember, the rules of money aren't complicated, but they do require understanding and discipline. We've journeyed through the 6 golden rules of money, from making money work for you, to planning for the long haul. Now it's your turn to take these principles and apply them, sculpting your own path to financial success. If you found value in this video, please like, subscribe, and join us on this journey to financial freedom. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and let money work for you.